What if I told you that just 5 minutes a day could strengthen one of the most important muscle groups in your body? Today you'll discover the powerful benefits of Kegel exercises and exactly how to do them correctly. These are your pelvic floor muscles. They act like a supportive hammock underneath your bladder, bowel, and reproductive organs. Strong pelvic floor muscles help improve bladder control, core stability, and sexual function. Imagine you're trying to stop the flow of urine or prevent passing gas. Those are the muscles you want to gently squeeze. Avoid tightening your stomach, thighs, or buttocks. If you're just getting started, lie comfortably on your back with your knees bent. Relax your shoulders, jaw, and stomach before beginning. Now gently squeeze and lift the pelvic floor muscles upward. Imagine you're pulling them inside your body like an elevator moving to the top floor. After holding the contraction for 5 seconds, slowly relax the muscles completely. Rest for another 5 seconds before repeating. Repeat this movement 10 times. Complete 3 sets throughout the day. As your muscles become stronger, gradually increase your hold to 10 seconds. With regular practice, Kegel exercises can improve bladder control, strengthen your core, support better posture, and enhance pelvic health. Just a few minutes every day can make a lasting difference. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Your health is your greatest investment. Start strengthening your body today.